Presented by Tom Shaw Realtors and Meyer & Company Real Estate. Sanctuary Drive, Foristell, Missouri. Grab a slice of heaven in St. Charles County. The Sanctuary is a newly developed property where you'll be greeted by a gated entrance leading to 15 5 to 7 acre lots. Bring the horses and build on a beautiful rolling pasture. Settle into nature on the multiple wooded lots. Outbuildings are welcome. Underground utilities and paved roads run through the property. Located in the Francis Howell School District, you will be minutes away from Foristell, Wentzville, and Washington. Do not miss the chance to build in this hidden paradise. For more information, call Tom Shaw Jr. at 314-283-5064 or Brett Martin at 314-581-3990.